Basic operation demonstration of disposable linear stapler. This video is to show the basic operation information for you about the disposable linear stapler produced by Changzhou XNY Medical Stapler Company Limited. For more information, please refer to specifications in the pack. Open the pack, take out the stapler, and retrieve the locating pin to the end. Remove the protective cap of the staple cartridge. For demonstration purpose, put in 2 pieces of foaming paper. Push the locating pin to the end again. Rotate the adjusting nut clockwise until the safety is automatically opened. At this point, the red pointer falls in the middle of the green area. Keep rotating the adjusting nut for half a circle until the pointer is located between the last scribed line and the second scribed line. The device mustn't be fired unless the pointer passes the middle line of the green area. Fire the instrument by squeezing the movable handle to the end. Release the handle after 20 to 30 seconds. Rotate counterclockwise the adjusting nut until it stops. Retrieve the locating pin to the end and remove the suturing stapler. Check the suturing position. Several additional stitches are necessary in case of minor bleeding. If secondary suture is required, disassemble the used staple cartridge and replace with a new one. Remove its protective cap and insert it into the staple cartridge clamping plate to the end and perform the aforementioned surgical procedures.